If you want to change the Epic Games install location for a new game, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This is really useful if your main drive is running low on space, or if you simply want to keep your games organized on a different folder or storage drive. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and head over to your library. This is where all of your owned games and available installs are listed. Once you're in the library, click on the game you want to install. This will open the install process for that specific game. Now, when the installation window appears, look for the Browse button. This is the key step because it lets you choose a different install location instead of using the default Epic Games folder. Click Browse and then select the folder where you want the game to be installed. You can choose a different drive, a custom gaming folder, or any location that has enough free space. After selecting the folder, click Install. Epic Games will begin installing the game in the new location you picked. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the install location for your new Epic Games download without needing any complicated settings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.